Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making the software and account ready. Update your iPhone XR to iOS 18 or later, sign into your Apple ID, and confirm iCloud Plus is active. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is connected and the phone has sufficient charge. Now open Settings and go directly to Siri and Apple Intelligence. We skip fluff and start the setup. You need to enable the Apple Intelligence toggle and permit personalization. This allows on-device models and iCloud processing to work together. Once the main toggle is on, continue by granting the app permissions that power intelligence. You must allow Siri and dictation, background refresh, and notifications so the system can process context in real time. Make sure you permit access to location, contacts, photos, mail, and messages when prompted. These scopes let Apple Intelligence personalize responses. Next, enable keyboard and Siri suggestions under Settings. These help the model surface helpful completions. If privacy boxes to finish, restart your iPhone XR so background services initialize and privacy permissions settle. After the reboot, verify setting Siri and Apple Intelligence still shows enabled. Then test. Ask Siri to summarize your day, find recent photos, or draft an email. You should see contextually smarter replies. If Apple Intelligence doesn't appear or behaves incorrectly, make sure your region supports the feature. Remove any beta profiles, reinstall the latest iOS update, and then retry. That single troubleshooting path fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.